In today's fast-paced world, getting around the city can be a challenge. But what if there was a simple and convenient way to travel from point A to point B? Introducing our revolutionary taxi app, the all-in-one solution to your transportation needs. Work of reliable drivers, ensuring that you're always just a few minutes away from your destination. All our drivers are thoroughly vetted and our vehicles are regularly inspected to guarantee a smooth and secure ride every time. So why wait? Download our app today and experience the future of urban transportation, taking you where you need to go when you need to get there.